Termites. These tiny creatures might seem ordinary at first glance, but young explorers prepare to be amazed by the secret world of termites, the master builders of the insect kingdom who create some of the most impressive structures on our planet. Welcome to another exciting adventure with fun animals for kids, where we discover the wonders of nature together. Today, we're exploring the fascinating lives of termites for kids who love learning about the incredible animals that share our world. Did you know that termites have been on Earth for over 150 million years? That's right, young explorers. These ancient insects were around when dinosaurs roamed the planet. Termites evolved from cockroach-like ancestors and have developed into some of the most successful creatures on Earth. Let's talk about what makes a termite a termite. These small insects might look a bit like ants, but they're actually more closely related to cockroaches. Termites have soft, pale bodies, straight antennae, and are usually white or light-colored. Unlike ants, termites don't have a narrow waist between their body sections. The world of termites is incredibly diverse. There are about 3,000 different species of termites living across our planet, each with their own special traits. Some termites build towering mounds, while others live deep underground or inside wood. One of the most amazing things about termites is their homes. In Africa and Australia, termites build enormous mounds that can reach up to 30 feet tall. That's as tall as a 3-story building. These massive structures are like termite cities with special chambers for different activities, tunnels for moving around, and even air conditioning systems that keep the temperature just right inside. Young explorers, imagine if you could build a house that was 300 times taller than you. That's what termites do every day, working together to create these incredible homes. This is one of the many fun animal facts for kids to share with your friends. Now let's talk about termite families. A termite colony is like a big, busy family with different members having special jobs. At the center of every colony is the queen termite, who can live for up to 50 years. The queen's main job is to lay eggs, sometimes thousands every day. The king termite stays with the queen her entire life. Together they start the colony and care for the first group of baby termites. As the colony grows, other termites take on different roles. Worker termites build and repair the nest, find food, and take care of the young. Soldier termites have larger heads and powerful jaws to defend the colony from enemies like ants. Termites communicate with each other using special chemicals called pheromones and by making vibrations by banging their heads against tunnel walls. This drumming sends messages through the colony, warning of danger or telling others where to find food. Speaking of food, termites have a very special diet. Most termites eat wood, but they can't actually digest it themselves. Inside their tummies live tiny microorganisms that break down the tough plant material. It's like having millions of tiny helpers inside you to digest your food. This special relationship between termites and the microbes in their digestive system is called symbiosis, a partnership where both creatures benefit. Termites play a very important role in nature. As they break down dead wood and plant material, they recycle nutrients back into the soil, helping new plants grow. In many parts of the world, farmers actually want termites in their fields because they make the soil better for growing crops. This makes termites very important for our ecosystem, which is something all kids learning about nature should know. Now for some truly amazing termite facts. Did you know that termite queens can lay up to 30,000 eggs in a single day? That's more eggs than many animals lay in their entire lives. And here's another fun fact for kids who love insects. If we weighed all the termites in the world, they would weigh more than all the humans combined. Termites also have some truly odd behaviors that make them fascinating to study. Some species of termites actually farm their own food. They grow special fungi gardens inside their nests, bringing in plant material to feed the fungi, which they then eat. It's like having your own vegetable garden right in your home. In some places around the world, people actually eat termites. They're full of protein and are considered a delicacy in many countries. While that might sound strange to us, it's a normal part of life for children learning about foods in those cultures. The relationship between humans and termites hasn't always been friendly, though. When termites move into our wooden houses, they can cause a lot of damage by eating the wood, but scientists are learning from termites too. Architects study termite mounds to design buildings that stay cool without using air conditioning. This is called biomimicry. copying nature's designs to solve human problems. Did you know that after a rainstorm, some termites grow wings and fly away from their colony to start new homes? These flying termites are called alates, and they're the princes and princesses of the termite world. Once they find a good spot for a new colony, they lose their wings, find a partner, and become kings and queens of their own termite kingdoms. Young explorers, the defense mechanisms of termites are truly spectacular. Soldier termites will sacrifice themselves to protect their family. Some species even have a special class of termites that can explode. Yes, you heard that right. These termites have special chemicals in their bodies that mix together when they're in danger, causing them to burst and spray sticky substances that trap enemies. It's like having your own superhero power. Termites are master recyclers, turning dead plants back into rich soil. Without termites, our forests would be filled with fallen trees that take much longer to break down. Every time you see a healthy forest or jungle in a nature video for kids, remember that termites are working hard underground to keep that ecosystem healthy. Scientific discoveries about termites continue to amaze researchers. Recent studies have found that some termite species can detect tiny amounts of metals in the soil, and their mounds can help geologists find valuable minerals. Termites are like nature's treasure hunters, showing us where gold and other precious resources might be hiding. In many cultures around the world, termites have important symbolic meaning. Some African tribes see termite mounds as sacred places where spirits live. The incredible teamwork of termites has inspired stories and fables about cooperation and working together, important lessons for kids learning about friendship and community. The termite world is full of wonders and surprises, making it a perfect subject for kids' videos that combine learning and fun. These tiny creatures remind us that even the smallest animals can make a big difference in our world. Their dedication to their family, incredible building skills, and important ecological role make termites truly remarkable creatures worthy of our admiration. Young explorers, as we come to the end of our termite adventure, think about the amazing world that exists right under our feet. These tiny architects work tirelessly, building, farming, and recycling, all without taking a single day off. Their complex societies teach us about cooperation, while their recycling abilities show us how important every creature is for maintaining the balance of nature. The story of termites reminds us that size doesn't determine importance. Even though these insects are small, their impact on our world is enormous. By breaking down dead plants and trees, termites help create the rich soil that grows the food we eat and the oxygen-producing plants we need to breathe. So the next time you're playing outside, take a moment to look around for signs of termites. You might spot a mound, a fallen log with tunnels, or even flying termites after a rainstorm. Remember that these industrious little creatures are working hard to keep our world healthy and balanced. We hope you've enjoyed this educational journey into the world of termites with fun animals for kids. If you want to learn more about the amazing animals that share our planet, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting adventures. Tell your friends about what you've learned today, and keep that curiosity growing. Remember, young explorers, learning about animals is not just fun, it helps us understand how to protect our natural world so that all creatures, big and small, can thrive together. Until our next wild adventure, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep discovering the incredible world of animals for kids everywhere.